Hi, and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial of placing objects behind. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to take and place a tiger behind a bear. To begin with, I have to have two separate pictures. The one of the tiger, and if you'll look at this one, you can see that I have taken and used the select tool to select everything. I actually used the pen tool. Once I selected it, I then took and used my movement tool, placed it into the other area, and I had to adjust the size. I'll turn this layer off so you can see what I did. I took the tiger, I brought it over, and I did Control T, or in this case I'll go to Edit and Free Transform, and then holding the Shift key I made the tiger larger so that I could take and place it back behind. When I was happy, I hit Enter. Now I have another tiger which I placed in there. I'm going to use that one. It was my copy, and that's the one I'm going to use. So I place this in behind, and then I want to take and remove the area that's in the front, because you can't actually physically place it behind, so you have to give that appearance. So what I do is take the copy that I have, and I change the opacity. I bring the opacity down until I can see what I'm doing. I can see both objects. I'll zoom in using Control Plus, and you can see that there's part of the tiger here that I want to remove. I'll get the eraser tool. I'll make sure that when I choose an eraser, I make sure I have 100% hardness. And of course, you can adjust the size by using the right or the left bracket in order to increase or decrease the brush size. I'll simply erase the area that I don't want to be seen. You can see that I can see what I'm doing on both layers. I'm trying to be careful to try to get a little bit of the hair. And as I look at this, it's looking pretty close to what I want. One more spot on the ear here. I think that's good, but in order to really tell, now I'm going to raise my opacity back, and if there's some spots, and see, I can see there's spots here that I didn't notice before. I can then erase those. I'll do Control 0 to bring it back, and now you can see I've placed the object behind. Hope this helps you out.